We're Absolute Hosting. We specialize in bespoke hosting solutions, and our market is small moms and pop shops, SMEs. We offer WordPress hosting, domain registration, and then obviously dedicated servers and VPS servers, and that's one of the fields where we've grown to be quite strong in the market.
What we've provided for Absolute Hosting is our standard colocation service. But I think, as you realize, our standard colocation service is a notch above what you'll find in the rest of the industry. We offer a service where we separate the monthly rental or the fee for the rack hosting from the power, and we charge on a pay-per-use basis for the power. They make use of part of our ecosystem. All of our ADC facilities have access to internet exchanges, and Absolute Hosting is in our JHB2 Samrand facility, which has long been recognized as one of the leading data centers in the country, in fact on the continent.
Moving into ADC has definitely assisted us with the peering. That's been a great assistance, and we've seen a massive increase in speed and obviously lowering of latency. And then costing is, the market's very sensitive at the moment, so pricing is obviously paramount. People are feeling the pinch.
We obviously try to make it as easy as possible. I think the difference you'll find when customers approach us is that we treat all customers with the same degree of care, and we're going to guide the customer through everything that they need. So firstly, identifying what the customer requirements are, assisting them to match those requirements to what we can offer, then leading them through the process of migration into our data center. Absolute Hosting approached us. We immediately assigned an account manager who contacted the customer and helped them through identifying what it was their requirements were, right the way through to switching the customer on, and then ensuring that we stay with the customer and provide ongoing support.
They were forthcoming, gave us all the information we needed, came for a site visit, and we were extremely impressed. The key benefits for us are physical security was obviously imperative, and power. Being inside a tier 4 data center is important. Considering the times we're in at the moment, power is questionable. That's definitely one of the things that we needed.
Depending on the size of the customer, we can also offer everything from customized design if they need it, more specialist services if required, but we can also offer the whole process of migration. So if a customer has an entire data center environment to migrate, we can also help with that. If
you're not running in the same parallel as your partners, then you kind of blindsided. So you're on your own mission, you're doing your own thing, and your business partners who you rely on obviously doing their own thing. So it's imperative that we all understand where the future is and carry on. And obviously with ADC, we want to make sure that we're in Africa. As they go into Africa, we want to then go with it.
We operate across multiple countries. In South Africa, we have 3 major data centers, one in Midrand, one in Samrand, one in Deep River in Cape Town. So we are offering a high availability environment. We will sign a service level agreement for 100% availability of power and aircon and so on. Secondly, we're going to be secure, and we are certified secure facilities. We meet the PCI DSS standard for security. And then thirdly, the connectivity. I mentioned the connectivity around access to an ecosystem, multiple internet exchanges, access to cloud, access to carriers, ISPs and so on. Really what distinguishes us is the fact that we can back all of that with a whole range of certifications. We are also on a journey with customers, helping them towards sustainability. The way we treat customers is as much part of the service as the actual colocation that we're providing.